Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max guys, generation from year 2012 to year 2019, and if you need to remove the engine splash shield underneath or replace it because it's broken, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Everything will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead and explain what we need to do. We have the car on the jack right here. If you need to buy a little lift like that, it's super convenient. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. But you can see it's enough to work on your vehicle. If you're using a jack, always use a jack stand, because if a jack fails, what will happen? You will get smashed under the vehicle. So when you come underneath guys, check it out now. When you come underneath, that's where the engine splash shield is located. You can see right behind the bumper, right? So when we get in, we're going to go ahead and start removing now with the Torx 30 or 25, Torx 30, start looking bit. We're going to remove the screws holding it in place, and starting from the very back. You always wear eye protection. You have dust, dirt here, and that will be guys, bad for your eyes. So I'm going to hold the camera from this angle so you can kind of like see where everything is located. You see, these ones are for the next one, so do not remove those. Perfect. All we have to do, slide it out now. One right here in the corner. Don't yank, don't pull. This is a different size. Let me grade one. It's I think Torx 20 or 25. So it's Torx 20. You should have one of those, one of those on this side, one on the other side. Ours is missing on the other side guys. Whoever installed it last time, they probably lost it, mislocated it, and it's missing. So we're going to go ahead, remove that one, and the engine splash shield, undercover came out, you can see, just like that. And if you pay attention now, right here, everything guys, is practically wide open. So that's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you need help with anything else on Ford C-Max or Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ, use that platform, let us know. We'll be more than glad to make a video when we have some time guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.